Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Canva and export templates for LinkedIn posts. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall Canva from your device, begin by locating the Canva app in your Applications folder. On a Windows computer, open the Control panel. Click on Programs and select Uninstall a program. Find Canva in the list of installed applications. Right-click on Canva and choose Uninstall. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. For Mac users, open the Applications folder. Locate the Canva app. Drag and drop Canva into the trash. To confirm the action, right-click on the trash and select Empty Trash. Now that you've uninstalled Canva, let's export your templates for LinkedIn posts. Open Canva in your web browser if you haven't already. Log into your account. Navigate to the design you want to export. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file format for the export, such as PNG or JPEG. Ensure that the transparent background option is selected if needed. Click on the Download button to save the file to your computer. Repeat these steps for any other templates you wish to export. Once you have all the necessary files, you're ready to create engaging LinkedIn posts using your exported templates. And that's how to uninstall Canva and export your templates for LinkedIn posts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.